Hi, my name is Divan Davis, and today I'm going to teach you how to, clean up background from your photo in Photoshop. So it doesn't matter how complex the background is, you can still clean up the backdrop section of it and make it smooth and look good like the way you want it. So this is my final work, and I just have to. So this is the after, and this is the before. After, before, after, before. So I'm going to take off everything, and we start afresh. So let's go back to the first procedure that you have to approach or do if you have this. So first of all, you have to put your image. After putting your image into Photoshop, you click on any of these three tools, but I prefer using the quick selection tool. So you click on the quick selection tool, you select, make sure enhance edge is checked, okay, and then you click on select subject. But if you don't see this select subject on top of your tool section, you can go to select and choose subject. Okay, so I have it here. So you have to wait a moment for the image to process. So there we go. So first of all, you do this. The next procedure, let's see what Photoshop has done. It's a nice job, but I think there are some selections left here. So we're going to use the lasso tool and then add. Okay, remove this. So we click on Alt key, hold, and then we draw selection here, new selection to add to our selection. So good. So the next thing we have to do is to come to our layer and click, hold, or duplicate the background, click, hold, and then drag here, right here. So here we go. So we have to name this one. I'm naming it main subject. Okay, name subject. So this is my subject. Then you layer mask the subject. So this is it. So that is the first procedure. So you come to the background layer and duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J. Then you name this one backdrop section. You can name it the way you want, but I just want the real name to be there, so I understand everything that I'm doing. So you can choose your name. So you click on the make the backdrop section active, click Alt. Sorry, once again, you click on the layer section of the backdrop, make it active. You press on Control and click on the main subject here, the layer mask. So that is it. So you still have your selection back. So you go to edit. The content aware is what we have to make right here. So that is what I'm doing. Okay, so content aware field is checked now. So you have to first of all turn everything off here and here and make this one visible. Go to edit again, content aware fill. Okay, so right here we are here. Make sure you go to output to new current layer. This is it. You press OK. Okay, so but before we do that, we have to expand. So we have to go back and click on the backdrop section, go to select, modify, expand. So in my case, I don't have any big expansion to do here, so I think I have to leave it on 10 pixels. But if you have a hairy image, you have to expand it more so it covers the whole hair. So when you are cleaning, which is the next procedure we are going to reach, you can clean up and bring up everything back. So 10 is okay. So let me zoom it out and see my selection and see whether I've left something behind. So my selection is perfect here. So you can see here is far away from my selection. So I can, bring it back by, you see. So Alt, you bring it back closer to this, closer, subtract layer. You're subtracting the layer. Okay, so I think we are good to go here. So right now you have to go back to edit, content aware fill. Very good. So make sure output to current layer is clicked and you press OK. Wait a moment, your image is loading. There we go. It's easy. Boom. So we have our background. I think Photoshop has really done a good job here, but not perfect job. So we have to Control D to deselect. You come to Patch Tool. Patch Tool is going to help us clean up this thing in a rough way. So take your time here, and it's very easy. Don't panic. No rush. You can watch this video so many times for you to know exactly what I'm doing and to master it. So it's the simplified method. A lot has done video on this particular thing, but I have make a quick way to in order to clean backdrop quicker way. Of course, watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe and also to like and share. So there we go, we have our selection on it, you can see. So after that, we have to click on our backdrop selection and make it active. Go to Gaussian blur, but before we do that, we can do it converted to smart filters in order for us to keep on changing our background blurry section. Okay, so convert to smart filters, then you go back to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. I think that's the pronunciation, Gaussian blur. So in my case, I think you can adjust to the level you want. You see, you keep on going, the background is matching very well. Okay, so in my case, I think I'm okay with 100 pixels. Perfect. So don't forget, we are not done. There are some areas like hair and edge not too looking good, but this one was okay. But before you continue with everything, you have to click on the layer mask main subject here, make it active, and then you come to brush tool, go and select soft round brush. You make sure opacity is 100%, the flow can be decreased, smoothing 0%. So in my case, I want to make the flow 50. Depending on you, you can make it 100. And so when I create the edges, oh, so the problem is that we have to make the white layer section come on top of it, okay, here. So before you start cleaning up, so you can see, so my flow is too hard. I can make it 20% and then start zooming up, and also to clean the edges, lower the brush, and to match the background. So you can do this all around the pictures, so it look natural and it looks very perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna clean. So you can see some part of the shirt is coming up. Yeah, so we are doing a perfect job here. It's much easy to do. And then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like and share. I want your comment section. I want comments in the comment section below. Sorry. So we can do this thing first. I work on it very faster, but for the sake of others, I think I have to slow down. So this is very, very perfect. So this one, two. This side is left behind. It's too hard. We have to go gently. Okay. So gently brush the edges of the picture. So gently do that. Gently do that. Gently do that. Bringing up her sections here. Okay. Okay, so I think we are good to go now. So this is it. You can see how perfect. So the reason why we make the backdrop section smart filters, and so when you come to Gaussian blur, you can go back and do adjustments. You can see. So keep on doing adjustments so you are satisfied with what result you want. So I think I would go for this 100. It's okay, or I can keep it to the fullest part of it. I think 100%, sorry, 100 pixel is okay for me. Okay, so this is the simple and easiest way to do clean up background section in Photoshop. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also like the video and watch other videos based on this and other tutorials. So you can go right there and browse through my my videos. And also I'm sorry, I want to do some kind of advertisement for Divinity Press. Divinity Press is a printing press, one of the leading printing press in North Legon, Accra, Ghana. So those people who need things like web development, UV printing, large format, stickers, banners, consulting, social media arts, art, banners, and anything, any kind of printing, books, and anything, logo for your company, letterheads, everything is there. So pay a visit to Divinity Press today at North Legon, Accra, Ghana, or you can see more of their services below the description, and then check their number or WhatsApp them right away so you can get your service is done for you. Thank you for watching once again, and thank you for everybody. Thank you.